Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Close the file to prevent overwrites, then reopen PowerPoint and navigate straight to File Info. Once done, select Manage Presentation and choose Recover Unsaved Presentations. This checks the temporary Auto Recover stash. Make sure to also look under Recent for a Recover Unsaved Presentations link, because unsaved drafts often live there. If nothing appears, pause and note the exact file name and time you lost work. That helps in the next deeper search. Now you dig deeper. Open File Explorer and paste the Auto Recover path shown in PowerPoint options, because Auto Recover copies often sit there. Once done, open Run, type %temp% and search for PPT or ~PPT files. Sort by date to find the right timestamp. Make sure to also check OneDrive or SharePoint version history if you save to cloud. Those services keep versions, and you can restore an earlier draft. If you find a temp file, rename it with A. Open the recovered file and save it immediately under a new name so you do not lose it again. Make sure autosave is turned on for cloud files, and set auto recover to a short interval, like 1 minute. Once saved, use File Info version history to compare and restore earlier copies. If you still have nothing, run reputable file recovery software or contact IT, provide exact file names, timestamps, and the temp folder path. That saves time and improves chances of retrieval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.